Hi, I'm Mike, founder of a WordPress agency. And today I'd like to share how we introduced an AI teammate into WordPress and how it helps us build better products faster. When ChatGPT was released, it completely changed the way we worked. Like many teams, we started to use AI for writing, coding, or research. But after a while, we realized we were constantly switching between ChatGPT and WordPress. We'd copy code, paste content, explain the same website over and over again, and still had to do most of the work manually. So we started asking ourselves one simple question. What if AI lived directly inside WordPress? What if it already knew the website, understood the code base, and could actually perform tasks instead of just generating suggestions? That idea eventually became WP Godmode. Today, almost everybody on our team is working with AI directly inside WordPress. Developers use it to build plugins, debug code, and implement new features. Designers use it to build pages and iterate on layouts. Our marketing team uses it for content, SEO, and accessibility improvements. Even our project managers use it to better understand the website before they make technical decisions. Instead of asking a colleague where something is or how something works, they simply ask the website. One thing we noticed very quickly is that AI becomes much more useful if it actually understands the full context of a website. Because it can access the website, its files, database, plugins, theme, and configuration, we spend much less time explaining things and more time getting actual work done. For us, that means fewer repetitive tasks and more time for consulting, strategy, UX, and solving our clients' real business problems. Another interesting use case is automation. Some tasks don't need a human at all. We have AI agents that monitor websites, import content, generate blog posts, or perform recurring maintenance tasks in the background. We've also started creating focused AI tools for our clients. Instead of giving them access to a complex AI interface like WP Godmode, they get simple tools for specific tasks, like importing content or finding information about their website. That keeps the experience simple while still giving them the benefits of AI. Nice thing is, getting started is simple. WP Godmode runs like a regular WordPress plugin and we simply connect our own ChatGPT or Claude subscription. That way, we stay in full control over which AI model we use. Because AI can now make changes on a live website, we build safeguards into the workflow. Things like permission layers, recovery options, and site-specific rules help make sure the AI only does what it's supposed to do. For us, the biggest change isn't that AI writes code faster, it's that AI has become another member of our team. It handles repetitive work, helps everyone understand the website more quickly, and gives us more time to focus on the work that actually creates value for our clients. That's ultimately why we built WP Godmode. Not to replace WordPress professionals, but to give them a teammate that works alongside them.